What's up guys, today we're gonna do some cable management for my PC. You can see need to do some work. You can organize these cables. So I got the package right here, and let's do it. This is okay. So once you open it, got the tape, cords. You can see I tried to put duct tape there. Didn't really work out. So now it looks so much more better. The cords are gone. This looks so sick. As you can see, we got the cords nice and tidy. Except for this thing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and peace out.